Assalamualaikum. Welcome back, guys. So today there is one item right here. You can see this is from wire USA. Okay, so this is a Milspec also, but this is complete. Okay, before this we have a ABS Milspec connector, but it's not complete. They are just the connector, but this one complete. Okay, you can see one by one what is the item they provided. Okay, okay, we can see we have male and female also. Okay, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, alright, of course the wire USA and from TE connectivity also. TE connectivity also the brand for Milspec. You can see this is TE connectivity. Alright, dudes, DTP, DTM. Okay, okay, we see and check for what it is, male or female. Okay, in one this plastic bag they give one connector. This is male or female? This is male, I think. They give also the tools, so we don't have to worry about to remove or to connect. Okay, we can use this tool. Okay, before this we don't have this, so it's difficult, but now we have, so it's easy. And then they give the pin also. See, complete here. So this may be male, but we have wait, show you the for the thread we have here. We have two. So this is the thread we'll install here. Okay, like this. Alright, like this. So this is male. For female, check. They also give the tools with the correct size. They give a pin also. Yeah, this is female. Okay, and the connector. Okay, check this out. Yalla habibi, it's beautiful. And this is metal. Okay, metal or what? Maybe some, I recognize this is not metal, but this is like ABS also, but it's more stronger. But for this one, this is like aluminum or metal. Okay, so same, they can join like this. Okay, let me show you how to put it inside. Okay, okay, so it's same, same method, same way to connect this. We need to find where is the the key here and here. So example, we put at the car, we need to find if center there, you can make it. It's simple. You can see here, you find like this. Then just I need to put the okay. Then just like this, easy, like ABC. Then remove, just like this, easy. This is ABC. Easy. Okay, just find where is the key, center key, like this. Find the center key, then close it clockwise. To open, of course, is counterclockwise, right? Okay. So yeah, we have before this we don't have like this. What is this? This is a boot. We call a boot. Maybe this is a straight boot. For this, we can put to close this side. Before this we doing also, but not using the proper boot like this. We use H-ring, but here they give complete, so we can use this boot to cover this area. Okay, and then this also they give. What is this? This is a boot also, but you can see the shape is different. Why is different? Because this is for 90 degree. We can make like this. So this straight, just straight, but this one 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. That's why we see the shape is different. Okay, so we will use this to our customer car, and then we can see what is the results. Okay, but this item they already use too much at US, so here we will install also. So stay tuned, we will update later. Alright, thank you guys for watching.